The ecobee new Smart Thermostat Enhanced is a versatile and energy-efficient solution for modern smart homes. With its sleek design and Wi-Fi connectivity, this thermostat offers advanced programmability and seamless integration with popular voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Certified by Energy Star, it helps reduce energy usage while maintaining optimal comfort, making it one of the best smart thermostats for home automation enthusiasts. Its ability to adjust settings remotely via the ecobee app allows users to manage their home's temperature from anywhere, ensuring efficiency and convenience. One of the key highlights of the ecobee enhanced model is its ability to learn your routine and automatically adjust temperature settings, saving you time and lowering utility bills. The thermostat's smart sensors also detect when rooms are occupied, allowing it to direct heating and cooling where it's needed most, providing personalized comfort. Installation is simple, with compatibility across most HVAC systems, and the unit supports easy DIY setup. For those looking for an intelligent, smart thermostat for home that provides both comfort and energy savings, the ecobee new Smart Thermostat Enhanced is an excellent choice. Its intuitive features and energy efficiency make it highly rated among consumers seeking a future-proof, eco-friendly thermostat solution. The Google Nest Learning Thermostat 3rd Generation is a top-tier smart device designed to optimize comfort and energy efficiency in the home. As one of the most advanced smart thermostats for home, it learns your schedule and preferences over time, automatically adjusting the temperature to match your daily routine. This not only enhances convenience, but also helps significantly reduce energy consumption, earning it Energy Star certification for its efficiency. Its sleek, stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any space, while the large, easy-to-read display provides a seamless user experience. Compatible with voice assistants like Alexa, the Nest Learning Thermostat allows you to control the temperature hands-free or via the Nest app from anywhere. It's also smart enough to detect when you leave home, switching to an energy-saving mode to avoid wasting power when no one is around. The device integrates with other smart home systems, making it a key component for those looking to build a connected, energy-efficient living environment. Installation is straightforward, and the thermostat works with most HV systems, though some setups may require a C-wire for optimal performance. For customers seeking innovative smart thermostats for home, the Google Nest Learning Thermostat offers an intelligent, automated way to enhance comfort, cut down on energy costs, and add convenience to daily life. Its proven reliability and advanced features make it a favorite among homeowners looking to take control of their home's climate. The Vine Smart Thermostat is a modern and versatile option for homeowners looking to efficiently manage their heating and cooling systems. Featuring a larger color screen for enhanced visibility and usability, this thermostat provides a clear, intuitive interface for adjusting temperatures and creating schedules. It is a 7-day programmable thermostat, allowing users to set custom temperature patterns throughout the week, making it one of the most flexible and user-friendly smart thermostats for home use. The device supports Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling remote control through the Vine app, so you can adjust the temperature from anywhere. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, this thermostat offers voice control capabilities, adding an extra layer of convenience to your smart home ecosystem. With energy efficiency in mind, the programmable features help reduce energy consumption, allowing homeowners to save on utility bills while maintaining a comfortable environment. The Vine Smart Thermostat requires a C-wire for installation, but its setup is generally straightforward for DIY users. For those seeking efficient smart thermostats for home, the Vine Smart Thermostat provides excellent value with its large screen, user-friendly app control, and advanced programmability. It's ideal for anyone looking to upgrade their home's climate control while integrating it with existing smart home devices. Customers consistently appreciate its combination of affordability, ease of use, and energy-saving potential, making it a satisfying investment for improved comfort and control. The Emerson Sensi Touch Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat is a stylish and efficient option for those looking to enhance their home's climate control. With its sleek touchscreen color display, the Sensi Touch provides a modern interface that is easy to navigate, allowing users to quickly adjust settings and monitor energy usage. This thermostat is Wi-Fi enabled, meaning you can control it from anywhere using the Sensi app on your smartphone, making it a highly convenient choice among smart thermostats for home automation. It is Energy Star certified, helping you save on energy bills while maintaining comfort, and is compatible with Alexa, giving you voice control over your heating and cooling systems. Installation of the Sensi Touch is simple, but it does require a C-wire for proper operation, which is common in most modern homes. The intuitive interface allows users to create customized schedules, optimizing energy usage based on their daily routines. This programmability is especially beneficial for energy-conscious homeowners, as it minimizes waste by adjusting temperatures when the house is empty or everyone is asleep. Customers appreciate the thermostat's reliability, ease of use, and energy-saving potential. For those seeking efficient and flexible smart thermostats for home, the Sensi Touch is an excellent choice. Its blend of modern design, advanced features, and seamless integration with smart home ecosystems ensures high satisfaction, making it a top contender for anyone looking to upgrade their home's climate control system. The Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat is a powerful, user-friendly device that combines over 100 years of HVAC expertise with cutting-edge technology. Featuring a sleek touchscreen color display, this thermostat is designed to offer intuitive control and energy efficiency for your home. It is programmable and Wi-Fi enabled, allowing users to adjust the temperature remotely via a smartphone app, providing flexibility whether you're at home or away. The Sensi Touch 2 is Energy Star certified, ensuring energy savings without compromising comfort, and is compatible with popular voice assistants like Alexa, making it a top choice for smart home enthusiasts. This thermostat is designed for easy DIY installation, although a C-wire is required, which many modern homes already have. One of the standout features of the Sensi Touch 2 is its commitment to data privacy, reassuring customers that their personal information remains secure. The device's programmable settings help you manage your home's climate efficiently, allowing you to create custom schedules that save energy and reduce costs. For customers seeking the best smart thermostats for home, the Sensi Touch 2 provides excellent performance with the reliability of a century-long legacy. It's particularly ideal for those looking to seamlessly integrate energy-saving technology into their daily routines, while maintaining a high level of control and convenience.